welcome back to my channel. So today is actually the last or final part of our living room makeover. So we've got some bits to do in the lounge. It's been a few weeks, hasn't it, since we did the cupboards and shelving. It's probably been about a month. Yeah, it's been a little while, and we've had this paneling situation in the garage for a while, and we kept putting it off. Well, I kept putting it off, didn't I? Look, we're matching today.
You copied me unbelievably there.
I didn't. This is in the bathroom.
I was just first.
So anyway, we're doing like a type of paneling in here, and I haven't really seen that many photos of it. It's kind of that traditional paneling, but we're using flat wood rather than the kind of beveled wood. And we thought that we'd do this because it would kind of tie in the kitchen paneling with this paneling, rather than going for two completely different types of wood. So we're going to panel like around the picture frames.
But we've just
with this flat wood.
I only primed these like this morning, didn't I? So
yeah, so they've just been primed.
This is the vibe we're looking at, yeah.
Yeah. We're going to paint the living room in the same colour as that we've got in the dining room. And it is this colour, which doesn't look any different, does it?
Similar,
Mark's painted it onto a piece of paper so we can just put it on the wall. At the moment on our walls, I get a lot of question about this. No, it's hard to see, isn't it?
Light here. Once it's on the wall, it's so much darker than that, isn't it?
Yeah, it has got a slight difference. But obviously, our walls now are not brilliant white. They are sail white, which is by Crown. Like here, we're obviously kind of framing the pictures, but here we're just going to frame the wall, if that makes sense. Because that might not stay. We might change the picture in there. Little Andy's in here, having a little snack. Let me just I'm going to get the picture for you so you can have a little look at my inspiration. Okay, so this is my inspiration behind the kind of flat paneling look. I really liked this when I found it on Instagram when I was scrolling through different hashtags. So I've saved this photo, and that's our kind of inspiration. And I guess the colour is quite similar as well to what the wall's going to be like as well. So Orlando, look, he's already spotted that piece of wood and he's going for it. He's going for it. You! No. Thank you, little man. Thank you. Thank you. Orlando can now open the doors, which is not good, is it? Come on then. Look at you. Are you in the car? Beep, beep. Oh, yeah. You always got to spot the camera, haven't you? Go on the car. Let me see your new car. Actually, it's a fire engine. Wow. Go, go, go. Whee! Okay, so we've just put the first pieces of wood up, well, Mark has, so he's cut it all, and basically we've just nailed it up there for now, so that's why you can see all of the little screws, just to make sure that we're happy with it, and you know, we're happy with the way it looks. So this is how it's looking from afar. So it kind of frames the pictures, and then obviously it's got a bit more extra on each side at the end. So this was our little bit of progress for day one, and I'll be back with you the next time we come back to it and start doing some more. So I'm just putting some pictures in a frame because it was all wonky and I just needed to sort it out. So I've just taken it back out and I'm putting it back in the frame. But I wanted to talk about this room and what's inspired me to kind of do it as we are doing it, because this room used to be like one of my least favourites, I would say, in the house. It didn't feel very homely, and I was always trying to think of ways to make it more homely. I think the built-in furniture has definitely made a huge impact on the room. It just makes it look so much better, and now with the paneling and stuff, with it all coming to life, I just love it so much. And I think that what has inspired me the most is obviously Instagram, Pinterest. I always get so much inspiration on those websites, and also Skillshare. You guys know I've been working with Skillshare now for a little while, and I also have a link that I'll put down below for 2 free months of premium membership. So if you want to go onto Skillshare, then definitely sign up with that code, because the first 1,000 people that sign up will get it for free for 2 months, which is amazing. Now why I love it so much is because you can learn so much on Skillshare. If you don't know, my mum is actually Italian, and we lived in Italy for a short while as well, and I've completely forgotten all of the Italian that I learned when I was younger. So I'm doing a little refresh on that, which is really good. I'm learning that through Skillshare. And also, of course, interiors. I'm doing lots of different interiors classes. Style Your Space, Creative Tips and Techniques for Interior Design by Emily Henderson. There are 13 lessons on here. I've got a couple more to go. So I'm currently on Style a Space with Emily, so she's showing me how to like style the space. Also, there was Shop for Vintage Finds, which you guys know I absolutely love doing, so she's giving her tips on how to find the best pieces when shopping for vintage pieces. And it's just been so good. I've actually learned a few things about design, and also about, you know, colour palettes and things like that in the home. And I didn't realise that, like, the monochrome style, like monochromatic, I always thought that that was just black and white, but actually it's not. It's like the tones of one colour, if that makes sense. So you can have a monochromatic room, it could be orange, but it's just all the different tones of that room. So that's been really cool to like learn that. Another thing that I've learned through this class is that you can mix metals, and I've been a little bit hesitant in the past. I've always thought that one room has to be, if I'm going to go with chrome, then everything needs to be chrome, but actually it doesn't. So in this room I've obviously got my new black tables, which I adore. I've got a black mirror coming as well, but I thought, what can I do to like mix the metals up in here? And I'm going to go with some brass. So I've ordered a really nice like brass light fixture, which is going to look really cool. So it's just being braver with my choices, and I'm really learning to be more brave through Skillshare. So I just wanted to share that with you today. I thought it would be really nice to kind of talk to you about it within this video, because it's all about interiors and that's what I absolutely love. Of course, there are so many other classes you could take. Like I said, I've been doing Italian as well. But yeah, there's so much to learn. Don't forget, you've got the 2 months free at the moment if you click the link in the description box. So make sure you take advantage of that. Tell me what you're going to learn about, because there are so many different classes on there that you can learn. It could be floristry. You can also learn how to edit. I've had a lot of messages recently asking me how I've learned to edit my videos and things like that, or my Instagram posts, and you can learn that all on Skillshare. So make sure you take advantage and click that link down below. And yeah, really happy with how it's going at the moment. I'm loving Skillshare so much. Right, so I've put the pictures back in the frames now. They're not wonky anymore. I think Orlando might have got hold of one and it got all wonky. My dad dropped off some printing paper for me the other day. So now I'm printing loads of photos from home and I absolutely love it. I'm just like, I'm on a printing mission. I keep printing loads of photos off. But let me show you this one. This is so cute. This is like our little lockdown family selfie. I'm just printing loads of black and white photos at the moment. I love that kind of style. And then this is one of the boys. Look how gorgeous they are. This is right at the beginning of lockdown. I think it was just before lockdown, and they just look so sweet. Okay, so it's day 2 of the panelling. Mark's just put this lot up. Yeah. Looks really good, doesn't it?
It looks really good, actually.
I'm really happy with it.
I love it.
Do you?
I think it looks well good. And also,
does that that one, does that fit the mirror?
Check that, yeah, way. But it needs to be the same done now, so it looks strange.
Yeah, I need to order some more paint as well. I don't think we'll have enough. We're going to use the same wood glue that we used on these cabinets. That was really good, wasn't it?
Yeah, it stuck really quick, didn't it? So.
It's just, oh, here it is. Look, this is the glue we use. It's just wood adhesive by Evo Stick.
You know it's way too late, regretting our mistakes. You got so head over heels crazy. Need to apologize, we went too far this time.
Okay, so we're just working out the like bottom part of the panelling. So Mark's worked out how much gap he wants to leave.
These are all stuck now, aren't they?
Yeah, they're all stuck now. So he's going to use that as a template.
You can just push that there like that.
Yeah.
And then you can just fix that one like that.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And then you take that one away.
And then take this one away. Landy's helping out. Right, we're still here, guys. Mark is just caulking it in now. So that will just get rid of any like little gaps in between the wood and the wall.
Makes it better to paint,
just makes this bit like disappear, and it makes it look more seamless when we paint it. So that's what he's doing now.
Right, so Landy's up and fed, and he's in the garden with our granddad, or my dad, because he's in our bubble, isn't he, Mum? Got all the little bits here.
From my Poundland haul, do you remember when I said I wanted to do some painting? They had loads of DIY bits.
I know, she's got loads of stuff
So
here.
I'm going to use this.
Loads of gear.
And I've got this.
Yeah, I'm interested to see that, to be fair.
Paint pad edger. Yeah.
So this is how I was looking at the minute. I've just corked it all in. Just tripped over a dinosaur there. God. Oh, there you go.
Good.
I think it looks pretty decent, to be fair.
Yeah.
I've unscrewed the socket because he's like, it's annoying if you got to like try and go around him. So yeah, I've turned all the power off, so it's not live, but I just unscrewed it because then you can like paint around it better. And then obviously we'll screw it back and turn it on again.
We've
but,
still got the masking tape on from the last time we painted it.
It's 3 years ago.
We didn't take it off.
It's because we don't ever see this corner. No. We're excited. So we're not going to do the skirt now, we'll do that another day.
Yeah, we'll do the skirt another day. We just want to get this wall painted, like this little corner.
Maybe the bit behind you, but that just needs to fill a little bit.
Yeah.
But you can't door bit because last time
people don't understand what door bin is.
Oh, we call door bin where you just like splodge it everywhere, don't you?
Yeah. So when we say we can't door bit, Mark just means we can't splodge it.
What I mean by that is if she's painting this bit of wall here, then she's going to get it on here. That'd be a door.
So don't go like this, look. Here's not how not to paint.
Yeah.
You've got to do it like down the edge.
You've got to take your time, haven't you?
I think this colour's going to work really well.
Oh my god, yeah.
Because it's like a nice warm grey, so it's perfect for this room because it's north facing.
I'm going to carry on caulking and filling the other bits now. But I've actually run out of wood for a minute. I need to get some more wood.
guys, so I don't think we have updated you on this vlog for a little while. We haven't filmed for this video for a while, and it's just because we haven't been able to get any more wood for the panelling, so we haven't been able to finish the panelling yet. So today we're just going to do a little bit more painting. All we've got left to do now is the panelling down here, just behind the sofa. We could leave it, but basically you can see it here, so I think it would look a bit odd if we left it, because this side has obviously got this part here, which looks good. We've moved the picture over here actually. That used to be there, and that mirror used to be over here, but the mirror is going to have to go because it's too big for the panelling, so we're going to move that to another area of the house. And then this picture here is probably going to move up, or we're going to get like a light to go above it. I'm not sure yet, but that is what that corner is looking like at the minute. We need to paint all of this so then we can get the radiator cover out and put it on. The radiator cover does come quite high. It comes to about here, I think, but I think it's just going to finish that little area quite well. I'll come back to you when we start putting the radiator cover up, but for now I'm just going to get painting and get some painting bits done. So the whole room has had a coat of paint now. So these two walls here have had 1 coat of paint, and then these walls here have all had 3 coats of paint, so they're all finished now. I'm just waiting for the other side to dry now so we can paint it all again, but I need to paint this centre bit, don't I? Yes, I'm going to paint that now. I'm just eating a chocolate. I'm gonna paint this bit in here now. Mark's got a bit of paint on his nose.
Look at what's in my hands. It's a joke.
What is going on?
Because you put the paintbrush
in your hand
there with the paint all over it.
Well, I told you though, didn't I?
Yeah.
I just brought in the radiator cover. Thought we'd show you before we get it out. It's a Wilton. It's from, where did we buy it? Home Base.
Home Base, yeah.
I like the kind of shaker design on it, but it is going to be, I think it's going to be too small.
I might have to cut it around to
yeah.
make it fit.
Yeah.
But it can be done.
It is a large one, but who knows. Okay, so we've just put the radiator cover up and together, and actually it fits absolutely fine. We need to fix it into place so it's not fixed to the wall yet. I wanted to show you how it's looking at the minute. Obviously we've got all this stuff here, but I quite like it.
It makes it look way more homey.
It makes it feel homely. It is big. Obviously it has to be that big because we needed the width, so yeah, you have to have the height of it, but I don't think it looks too bad. But that is what that looks like at the moment. I think once we've like styled everything up, I think it would look quite cute.
You can have a rug in front of that?
Yeah, you can have a little rug in front of it, couldn't you? Or like a nice plant in the corner, and then obviously we can bring some bits forward, maybe like decor wise. We can put some bits down here because we've got like another little ledge, which is cute. So yeah, that is how it looks. We just need to fix it in place now. And then that is that bit done. We're pretty much done now in here. So this wall has had 2 coats now. The boys are in here just playing at the minute, and I like the contrast. I think it looks nice. We're actually waiting for a new mirror to come here, but I don't think it's being delivered for a couple of weeks yet, so it might not be in this video, but when we do get it I will update you. But yeah, that is the radiator cover. Okay, so I thought I'd give you one final update for this video. We obviously can't finish this because we need to wait for the wood to come back into stock. So this is how it's looking at the moment. I'm super happy with the colour on the walls. We've obviously got this mirror here for the moment, but that is going to go. I'm thinking more of a wide kind of mirror to go along here. I love having the mirror here actually because you can see the shelving in the background. I think it looks really beautiful. So we're going to go for a longer width mirror, possibly a brass one or maybe a black framed mirror. I'm not entirely sure yet, and I'm also not sure whether to go for like a window style mirror like this but that way, or to go for just a plain mirror. So let me know your thoughts on the mirror situation, what one you kind of think would work best here. So if we just come over here to this corner, it's all a bit busy at the moment. We've got a little dinosaur down there as well, a little friend. But this is how this corner's looking. So we've moved this picture over here. This we've had for about 7 years. It was from Laura Ashley. And I've ordered a picture light to go at the top. So it's going to kind of come over. And that is in a brass finish. So I think that's going to look really nice. But I'm loving this little corner. I think it looks so cute. And then of course we've got the radiator cover, which I think looks really nice. I've just put a couple of pictures on here. These ones here of the boys, and then we've also got this family selfie here as well. And then I moved this little lemon tree and put it on this little ledge. This was actually on the shelves before. I think it looks nice and adds that little bit of height in this corner, so that's what I've done with that lemon tree. And then over in this corner I've just got a couple of candles from IKEA, so I still need to paint the windowsill. That is something that I'm going to do very soon when we end up finishing the room. So once the room is completely finished I will do a room tour for you and then show you exactly where everything is from. But for now that is our little living room update. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and make sure you check out Skillshare and click the link so you can get 2 months free premium subscription. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!
what I should do, and I wish you